there, my name is Liz Rary, and I'm the Partner Success Manager here at Terra. The Terra team has been hard at work making new features that make it easier than ever to collaborate with your fellow teachers. One of these features is unit sharing. So, say that a teacher at a school has been teaching the same unit for years. It's incredible. Students are engaged, and there's literal sparkles coming off of it. And you want to use it as a reference point. Now that teacher can share their entire unit with you at once with a simple click of a button. And today I'm going to show you how to add these shared units to your own class folder. So what I'm going to do is open my Gmail account that I have here in my browser tab. As you can see, Ian was kind enough to share this lesson with me. So I'm going to click it. And then next I am going to click on Take Me to Terra, which will open Terra in a new browser window. Just log in if you hadn't before. And it pops open this really awesome modal. As you can see, he shared all of these really great lessons with me that I'm pretty excited that I won't have to do myself. So next, I'm going to put this into my elementary school folder. And I'm going to click OK, and then you're going to get this loading icon. It's just going to take a second, and unit was added to class successfully. And as you can see, that unit that Ian shared with me is now in my class folder. And that is lesson sharing or unit sharing.